Welcome everyone to my channel. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell for notifications on new videos. So today we are working on dreadlocks. My client has came in with some locks that have recently popped up. So we are reinstalling them. First I will be plaiting the loose hair and reattaching the pop dreads back to each single one, as I show you here. So like I was saying before, I have plaited the loose hair into different sections, and right now I am crocheting the pop lock through the plait upwards and tugging it upwards as I go along. There is a similar method to this for adding dread extensions, and this is basically how I came up with this method. I will show you guys in a later video. Please don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss that video. Now I'm just wrapping the braid around and around the dread, the little remainder, and there you go. We have a full block. Stay tuned for the end result. So here we are almost done. I am just showing you the locks that I have reinstalled so far. If you really like what I have done so far, please like this video. Don't forget to comment. Please don't forget to add your girl on IG, patience_beauty_trap. So here's a before and here's an after. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.